I'm coming to help.
There's so many worm things.
Ew, gross. I had a little
Ew,
baby.
Ew, ew, ew.
You cut its tentacle off. Ew, gross.
Ooh, smithing stone 8. Ooh, ew.
Ow, 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 ow. There we go.
Oh, very nice.
Get in the butthole. Beautiful. A struggle that was. Ooh, what's this? Smithing stone 8 and a warrior jar shard. Warrior jar shard. Anything on top of these ruins here? Anything nice for me? No? Alright. Let us proceed down the path. I see another Grace.
Ooh, so many.
Thank you. I almost called Dark Souls Elden Ring.
Awkward.
Yeah.
What is that?
Looks like a fight up yonder. Let's just get in the middle of it.
Sure. Or not.
You're beautiful.
Oops, wrong button. All right. Just a big pile of guys.
Hey, what's up?
Oh my god, you just whipped all of them.
Whoa. Blood guy.
Ow, bat.
Bat.
Oh my god, I'm freezing up.
Oh my god, there's a fast boy.
Whoa, 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 stop that.
It's dead boy.
Rune
there's
arc.
more.
Oh my god. They just appeared.
Oh shit, there's a carriage as well. Cool
Oh, that's
looking carriage.
that's a bad carriage.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Nice.
It's gonna be an interesting fight with this carriage. Oh, it's coming, it's coming.
Oh, yep.
The weakness is in the back. Its eyeballs are looking at you.
Oh, it's alive? Oh,
Yeah,
dear.
try to get behind it. It's the funniest thing ever. Oh, it's looking at you.
Oh.
Here it comes.
I want your butt. Ooh!
Yeah, I'll try and turn it around. Oh boy, it's mad.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, I see. Oh, hi!
It's a little guy driving it.
Hi!
Oh, right in the ass. Oh no, his toilet. Cool. Another item? Tarnished golden sunflower.
Alright.
Alright, into the dank cave. I feel like there's a dungeon down here somewhere.
Ooh, maybe
Oh, that's gonna explode.
Oh.
Nothing to worry about. Oh, there's a spirit spring.
Yeah.
Let's see where it leads. Boing! Whoa!
Oh, it's Grace. You missed the Grace.
Queen's bracelets. Was it Grace?
Yeah, at the very end.
Oh, I did not get it. I had to come back down.
Are
Where's the
you?
spirit?
I'll come.
I'm coming. Here I come. Where's that Grace?
Give me that grace.
Oh, look at that. Boing. Okay. Looks like there's a path over here. I'm gonna go along the inside of the cliff. See if there's any dungies. Any dungaroos in here. All right, we could take it. Let's go up the Spirit Spring. There might be stuff up
Yeah,
there.
okay.
Whee! Got an item over here. Whoa!
That's so cool.
Yeah, that rocks. All right, I'm gonna look over. What is that? Oh, it's a troll, looks like. Just a big old troll. Oh. Calm down. Ain't no thing.
Alright, how are you dealing with that troll?
The troll is dead.
Nice.
It has been thoroughly dealt with.
What's this?
I feel like there's gonna be a boss around here somewhere.
Yeah.
But what will it be? Usually it's a boat guy.
Oh, the boat guy. I like the boat guy.
Boat guy's pretty cool. This guy's breathing fire.
Oh, hi.
Get out of here, snail. I'm gonna ride back through.
Is a bridge the other way where we
Oh,
came?
I was stuck on the bushes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I feel like we're near where
Oh,
a
this
boat
place
guy
is
shows up.
massive.
Yeah, it's big. It's big. There's a very large structure up here. I see where boat guy is.
Oh, you found boat guy?
Or it's not a boat guy. It turns out it's some other guy.
Did you jump down?
Oh no, I went back. I went north.
Oh. Okay.
There you are. Heading towards this large building.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think there's a boss down there. Stake of Marika right here.
Oh, you know what that means.
It's just an omen killer, though. Nothing we can't handle.
Hi. It's always the fire.
Oh, we're bullies.
Oh, this is fine.
Yeah, look at that. That always feels good.
Item.
Smoothing stone.
A mottlet necklace.
Ew. All modeled. Ugh.
Oh, mottled.
Alright, what's up here? Wow, look at all these people hanging out.
Having a party.
Yeah, good for them.
Oh shit, that's a
Ew, a poopy.
goober. Yeah.
Smush it into the ground. Got some poop.
Large leather shield.
Oh, that's kind of nice. Thank you, Elden Ring. Oh boy, that's a cliff if I've ever seen one. I don't think there's any way in on this level. We'll have to keep going.
There's a shack with a grace. Oh, and
Shack?
a painting.
I want that. I want a painting. You know what I like more? A glintstone key.
Did you?
No, I just want one. Sorry. Didn't mean to get. Oh, hello.
Hello?
We got the hello prattling pate.
Oh, yes.
All right, give that grace a little touch. All right.
Ooh. Does this connect?
Looks like it. Just gotta be careful. You go around to the right to go down. Oh, there's a little camp up there. Let's go ruin their
raid it.
day. Hello, who's home?
Hello, we would like to take your thing. Oh, they're all out. Oh no, there's a
Jellyfish?
snail.
Cool. Easy peasy. Item back here. Smithing stone.
There's a big hand up ahead.
Where? Oh, over yonder.
Yeah.
Here I come.
Oh.
Yeah, we can go to the right. See what's over this way. I think this is the way to that big building. I don't know if we'll be able to get in, but there might be items inside. Oh, I see another Grace.
I see another Grace, yeah.
How weird. Give that a little poke. Oh, there's a big guy over here. Followed by a bunch of little guys. Oh, he tried to kick your horse.
Wow, that's so mean.
And now he's dead. Ooh. Okay, yeah, looks like we're heading for the entrance. Okay. Please have something we can use. Uh-oh, lightning!
Is that Magic Boy?
It's gone now. Where are you? Bleh! Oh, I think I see an ant up ahead.
Oh, yep.
Ant with a little guy on it. Nice.
Oh.
Oh, another Grace.
Another one.
My. Touch.
What do we have here?
A little pedestal for something to
Something
be put on.
fits. Okay.
Ooh. Well, let's see where this goes.
Dying.
Oh, what the hell? Okay.
I don't know.
I'm cool with it. Oh my.
Wowee.
Yeah, look at that. That's fancy. Oh, item over here. Guarded by a bunch of enemies.
Alright. Oh,
Watch out,
look
one's a
at you.
clean rot knight.
Oh, I missed.
Ow.
Wow. A leaf.
Good, a leaf. A nice good leaf. Good solid leaf. So what's this? Weird little guy.
Electricity. And poop.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
a
hi.
poopy, alright. Oh, Lord.
Oh shit! Oh shit! We have an invader.
Oh, fuck. Where'd they go?
I don't know.
Ow, this poop. They moved over somewhere else, I think.
Hi.
Oh, fuck!
there we
Oh, there they are! Oh, we have to keep
go.
going.
Bitch.
Oh, God, look out. The bat. Oh, God.
I didn't see that coming.
Oh, nice butt slam,
Oh, he's
Mr. Magoo.
explosions! Explosions!
Oh, nice. You hurt your friend. Oh, God.
Little guy.
This is a little guy. All right, where's that
Alright,
invader?
Where is this?
She's gonna be around here somewhere. Waiting to pounce. What's this?
Hi, Jelly.
What's happening? What's happening, Jelly? You in the ground?
Let me help you.
Yeah, she's gonna be up there.
Yeah. There's a knight.
Oh my god, it's on a horse. Little pot.
Oh, hello, pot. Bye, pot. Mm-mm.
Lord Sworn's straight sword. Lost ashes of war. Got an elevator here.
Alright, let's take it.
All right, up we go. Oh, Jesus.
You missed.
Nice, he sent her away.
Oh, I hit.
Put some pants on. Cool, there she goes.
Bye-bye.
Get out of here.
A warming stone.
Dappled cured meat. Mmm. Take this egg. Oh, we're in the butthole.
Oh, hi.
Ow, 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 magic.
Oh, they've got nice hair.
Yeah, it is pretty nice.
There's more guys. Hello.
Take this little bell person.
Missed.
There's a big ass something or other over there.
Yeah, I see that.
It's an Erd Tree avatar.
Grievous. Alright.
I'm all out of juice. Look out!
Oh my god, it's got a big swing.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Gonna jump. It's gonna do a big
Oh,
rot.
yep. It's coming for you.
Oh, I just got squished real good.
It's turning around. Me too.
Oh, a rot.
Jump, jump.
Okay, it's on you. It's on. There's too much rot in the way. I can't get back there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ow,
I have my
ow.
opening. Oh, Jen! I got his attention. Oh,
Hang on, there's a fucking. Stop it!
It's gonna do it to me now.
I will be there in a moment. I'm just fighting an archer.
Uh-oh.
Alright, I'm back. Ah, shit.
Uh-oh. We killed each other.
Oh, you traded?
We traded.
Very nice. Are you coming back?
Yeah, I gotta walk all the way up, though.
Okay.
Gotta go the long way. Long way makes me tired.
Oh, I guess we gotta get the stairs. Oh, there's more.
All right, getting my lift.
Secrets lie ahead. Okay, so there's a lift there.
All
Who's
right.
jumping down that ladder? What you doing?
Getting up my lift right now.
What the hell is this guy doing?
Okay, here I come. Got a long way to go. Oh, I saw you making a ruckus up there. Okay, up the stairs. Through here. Get the lift. Oh, there's a lever. What's up, Deander? I just got like a strength build right now, pretty much. Alright, just waiting for my next lift. There it is.
Oh, I was muted. I
Oh,
died,
no.
and I shall meet you
The
later.
baton has been passed. Now I will go up there. What is going on up there? I see some magic flying around.
Yeah, the magic guy sucks.
Oh,
There's a ladder that you can take to get to
I see a
him.
bunch of shit getting like thrown down here. Get my runes. Get some nice runes. Oh, I see them. I wonder if I can knock them off from here.